Ever wished you had all the Bleach manga at your fingertips? Your wish is about to come true. Here we have the complete Bleach manga box sets. That's right, all three epic collections. First up, Box Set 1, volumes 1 through 21. Look at that stunning artwork on the box, and inside gorgeous volumes, bonus posters, and a special collector's booklet. Next, Box Set 2, volumes 22 to 48. This set features more awesome art and exclusive character profiles, plus another collector's booklet packed with behind-the-scenes content. Finally, Box Set 3, volumes 49 to 74, the grand finale. More breathtaking artwork and a deep dive into the final arcs. And of course, another exclusive booklet. Whether you're a die-hard fan or new to the series, these box sets are a must-have. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of Bleach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Happy reading.